While morning runs are popular, jogging in the evening offers unique physiological and psychological advantages. 1. Better sleep quality. Contrary to the myth that exercise keeps you awake, evening jogging helps regulate your circadian rhythm. The post-run drop in body temperature signals to your brain that it's time to sleep, often leading to deeper REM cycles. 2. Peak physical performance. Research shows that body temperature and lung function peak between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. This means your muscles are more flexible, your coordination is at its best, and your perceived exertion is lower compared to the morning. 3. Effective stress. Deloading. An evening run acts as a mental reset button. It helps lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, accumulated during work hours, preventing workday stress from spilling into your personal nighttime. 4. Efficient fat burning. Liver and body fat. Since you have likely eaten 2 to 3 meals by evening, your body has plenty of glycogen. An evening jog can help burn off excess glucose before it has a chance to be converted into liver fat or adipose tissue overnight. 5. Reduced risk of injury in the morning. Muscles and joints are often stiff from sleep. By evening, your core temperature is higher and your joints have been moving all day, which significantly reduces the risk of strains and pulls. 6. Healthier social life. Morning routines are often rushed, but evening jogs allow for social running. It's easier to find running groups or partners after work, making the habit more sustainable through community support. 7. Improved digestion. A light jog about an hour after an early dinner can stimulate the digestive system and help manage blood sugar spikes, which is particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 8. Lower blood pressure at night. Studies suggest that evening aerobic exercise can lead to a greater reduction in nocturnal blood pressure compared to morning exercise, providing better protection for your heart while you sleep. 9. Mental clarity. Running provides solitude time to process the events of the day. Many people find they can solve problems or plan the next day's tasks more clearly while jogging, leading to a more organized morning. 10. Avoids the morning rush. For many, the stress of waking up extra early can lead to sleep deprivation stress. Moving your workout to the evening allows you to get your full 7 to 8 hours of rest in the morning without feeling hurried.